All right, everybody, it is day 21 of my 75 hard challenge, and well, I was hoping I would have some before and after pictures, but the day kind of got away from me, so I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. But I'm gonna do a daily question instead today, and so I'm gonna try and make this short and sweet. But here's my daily question to you: is it better to have had and lost than to have never had at all? Or in other words, is it better to have loved and lost than to have never loved at all? What say you? My answer will be tomorrow. Anyway, it is day 21 of my 75 hard challenge, and still kind of at that plateau, about 16 pounds, and gonna do my body composition on Thursday, maybe Friday of this week, depends on the weather. We're supposed to get some snow down here, so that is day 21 in the books. We'll see you tomorrow.